Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore this famous Gaussian integral, the integral from negative infinitive to positive infinitive of e to the negative s squared dx. Now I'm going to name this one as I. Observe that e to the negative s squared is the even function, right? So remember, if you have the integral from negative a to a of the even function, it's going to be 2 times the integral from 0 to a of f of s dx. So this guy turns out to be, now I'm going to square both sides. So I have I squared equals, now since x and y are dummy variables, so I can replace x with y, right? So this guy turns out to be, now I'm going to combine these two guys, so it could be, now I'm going to do u substitution. So I'm going to let y equal x u. Then y squared equals x squared u squared, right? I'm going to check the derivative both sides, so it could be dy equals x du, right? I substitute back over here, so I have, now I'm going to factor x squared out, so it's going to be, I can swap these two guys, right? Now look at this guy right here. You are calculating the integral of the one inside parentheses right here with respect to x, right? So you're going to treat use as a constant, right? So look at this one right here. You have negative x squared, right? If I take the derivative of this one, it turns out to be negative 2x dx, right? So I have x dx right here. I need to multiply by negative 1/2 right here, right? So then this guy right here becomes d of negative x squared, right? Now I can apply the formula antiderivative of e to the ax plus b dx equals 1 over a e to the ax plus b plus constant c, right? So this guy turns out to be 4 times the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative x squared times 1 plus u squared over negative 2 times 1 plus u squared, evaluated from 0 to infinity, right? This guy right here already becomes a in this formula, right? And this guy becomes u, right? This guy becomes u. That's why you apply this formula right here. So I squared equals 4 times. Now substitute infinity for s is going to be 0, right? Substitute 0 for s is going to be 1/2 times the integral from 0 to infinity of du over 1 plus u squared, right? Now 4 times 1/2 is going to be 2, right? Antiderivative of this one is going to be arctangent of u, right? Evaluated from 0 to infinity, right? Substitute infinity for u is going to be pi over 2, right? Substitute 0 for u is going to be 0, right? So it's going to be pi, right? So I equals square root of pi, right? This one is the final answer, right? We have another way that's shorter, that's called polar coordinate. I'm going to solve this problem using polar coordinate in the another video, and it's good time to solve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.